Welcome to Health Diagnosis. Today, we are talking about one of the biggest threats to human life: the air we breathe. India, a country full of life, color, and energy, is now facing one of its darkest challenges: deadly air pollution. Many scientists and environmental experts warn that if things don't change, India could face an environmental collapse by 2030. The question is, can a nation survive if the air itself becomes poison? Every morning in many Indian cities, the day begins not with sunshine but with smog. The sky turns gray, the sun hides behind layers of toxic dust, and people step outside wearing masks, not for fashion, but for survival. The air quality index in some cities regularly crosses the hazardous mark. That means every breath carries particles that can damage the lungs, heart, and even the brain. The main sources of this deadly smoke are all-around-day traffic congestion, industrial emissions, burning of crop residue, and unchecked construction dust. Millions of vehicles release carbon and nitrogen gases every hour. Factories emit clouds of black smoke day and night. And in winter, the problem becomes worse when cool air traps pollution close to the ground. The result is a thick, choking blanket of smog that covers entire regions. People are suffering silently. Children are growing up with breathing problems before they even learn to speak. Asthma, bronchitis, lung cancer, and these diseases are becoming alarmingly common. Doctors report that even young, healthy people now show symptoms that used to appear only in elderly smokers. Imagine a city where you cannot see beyond a few meters, where birds disappear from the sky, and the air burns your eyes. For many residents of Delhi, Lucknow, and other large cities, this is not imagination, it's their daily reality. Schools close because it's too dangerous to let children breathe outdoor air. Flights get delayed because pilots can't see through the haze. Hospitals are overcrowded with patients struggling to breathe. But this is not just a health problem, it's a national crisis. Air pollution affects agriculture, water sources, and even the climate. It damages crops, reduces rainfall, and contributes to global warming. Scientists say that if no serious action is taken, by 2030, large parts of India may become nearly unlivable during certain months of the year. Not because of war or disaster, but because of the air itself. Yet, there is still hope. Many cities are testing electric buses, promoting solar energy, and encouraging citizens to use bicycles and public transport. Some farmers are shifting to eco-friendly crop methods to avoid burning stubble. These small steps matter, but the change has to be faster and stronger. Every citizen has a role to play. Avoid burning waste. Use energy responsibly. Support clean energy initiatives. Plant trees, because every tree acts like a natural air filter. And most importantly, raise awareness. The fight against pollution is not just for the government, it's for everyone who breathes. The world is watching. If India succeeds in cleaning its air, it will set an example for every developing nation struggling with pollution. But if it fails, millions of lives could be lost to diseases caused by something as simple and invisible as air. We must remember, we can live without electricity for a day, without water for a while, but not without air for even a few minutes. Protecting the air means protecting life itself. So when we talk about 2030, it's not about the end of India, it's about a warning, a wake-up call. The country doesn't have to die, it has to change. The future depends on the decisions made today. This is Health Diagnosis, reminding you that awareness is the first step toward healing. Take a deep breath, and make sure it's a clean one.